Hello, and welcome to Teenage Brain, Section 1, Lesson 4, Teenage Brains. Before we begin this lesson, I would like to look at the culminating task prompt. Students will use their knowledge of the teenage brain to answer the culminating task question. Does being a teenager positively or negatively affect one's decision making? You will need to be sure to address and refute at least one counterclaim in your response. Today, you will read Teenage Brains to identify the major claims by the author. You will answer comprehension questions after each section of the text in pairs, and you will determine a claim about the teen brain that is shared by all texts. For this lesson, you will need Teenage Brains, the article, your reading response journal, your argument understanding tool, 1, the article Teenage Brains Are Malleable and Vulnerable, Researchers Say, and the teen brain still under construction. Here are the learning targets for this lesson. Can you compare and contrast the ideas about how teen brain development affects teen behavior developed in 3 texts? Can you support your thinking with evidence from each text? You are going to compare and connect ideas across the text you read in this section by developing your response to text-specific questions. You will support your response with evidence from the text. Then you will share your response in Nearpod. The questions that you'll be answering are: what claim about the teen brain is developed by each text? And with what idea about the teen brain might the authors disagree? As you answer these questions, I want you to think about the following. What claims are developed in the text? What evidence from the text supports this claim? What ideas about the brain are presented in each text? What are the similarities between the ideas presented in the text? What are the differences between the ideas presented in the text? You will have 5 minutes to answer this question in Nearpod.